last period we learned displacement reaction of metal and non-metal. We learned about the more reactive metal displace less reactive metal from their short surface. We know the reactivity series of metal and arrange according to their increasing and decreasing order, like zinc, iron, magnesium, copper, etc. Now, the last topic of the chapter, that is uses of metal and non-metal. So, what are the uses of metals? We know the example of metals: iron, aluminium, copper, magnesium, silver, gold, platinum, etc. As well as we also know the example of non-metal like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon, sulfur, etc. So, we know the uses of this metal as well as non-metal. We know that some of the uses of metal and non-metal, these are common uses, and in this chapter we also learn about the common uses of metal and non-metal. First of all, we learn the uses of metal. Metals like aluminium and copper are used to make electrical wire because metals are good conductor of electricity. We know that metals are good conductor of electricity. For this property, we use to prepare electrical wire of metal like aluminium and copper. So, in our domestic wiring, the electrical wire is made up of generally copper. Metal like aluminium, iron and copper are used in utensils, tools and machinery. This metal, aluminium, iron and copper are used to prepare utensils. These utensils are used to prepare food in our kitchen. The property of metal in this use is metals are good conductor of heat. This property is used to make the utensil of metal like copper, aluminium and iron. Other uses of metals like copper, aluminium and iron are in the preparation of tools like cutting tools and drilling tools. The property for these, the metals are very strong. This property is used to prepare tools like cutting and drilling for the purpose metal like aluminium, iron and copper are used. And spare part of machinery are also prepared from the metal like copper, aluminium or iron because metal are very strong. Metal like iron is used to construct building and build. Because metals are very strong and you know that the RCC structure is made from iron rod and then mixture of cement, grit and sand are applied to bind this iron rod for the structure of RCC. Like this, construction of building and bridge, the usage of iron, which is metal. Another use metal like magnesium is used to make a firework. Firework means firecracker. In the festival of Deepavali, we fire the crackers. Some of the crackers, the materials used to prepare firecracker is the metal magnesium. So metal like magnesium is used in the preparation of firecracker. Metal like gold, silver and platinum, which are used to make a jewelry, ornament, and we know that these metals are very expensive, costly metal like silver, gold and platinum. For this purpose, they use to make jewelry because they are noble metal. They do not react with air, water, acid, etc. So these are some common uses of metal. Now we see the uses of non-metal. Non-metal like oxygen is essential for respiration in living organisms. We know that all living organisms are respired. For this, we require oxygen for the respiration. This oxygen is we get from our atmospheric air, and we know that atmospheric air contains 21% of oxygen, and oxygen is non-metal. Non-metal like oxygen is essential for respiration in living organisms. Non-metal like hydrogen is used as a fuel. Fuel is a substance which produces heat on burning. Non-metal like hydrogen, lots of heat is produced by burning of hydrogen. That is, if we burn 1 kilogram of hydrogen, it produces 1,50,000 kilojoule heat energy by burning of 1 kilo of hydrogen. Therefore, metal like hydrogen is used as a fuel. Metal like hydrogen is used as a fuel for heating purpose. Non-metal like iodine. Iodine is non-metal, used as an antiseptic. If we cut our finger or any part of our body, we apply a purple color solution. This purple color solution is tincture iodine. This tincture iodine is applied on the wound and act as an antiseptic solution. This antiseptic solution, that is tincture iodine, is prepared from the non-metal called iodine. Therefore, non-metal iodine is used as an antiseptic. Non-metal like nitrogen is used to preserve food. Some chemical method of preservation of food are there in the chapter, that is microorganisms, strength and form. We know that if we buy some packet of potato wafer from the shop and we see that this packet of potato wafer like Balaji wafer is inflated. But if we open the packet and see the wafer are very small amount in it. So this inflated packet, inside the wafer with nitrogen gas is filled in the packet for the preservation of potato wafer. Therefore, metal like nitrogen is used to preserve the food. Non-metal like chlorine is used for the purification of water. Water purification, we pour a chlorine tablet in our water pot. This chlorine tablet is prepared from chlorine which is non-metal. Therefore, metal like chlorine is used for the water purification purpose. This chlorine is kill the disease-causing microorganisms that may cause waterborne disease are killed by the chlorine, and chlorine is non-metal. Therefore, chlorine is used for purification of water. Non-metal carbon. Diamond is a form of non-metal carbon used as a gemstone, and these gemstones are used in the jewelry. So these are some of the uses of metal and non-metal. The lesson is completed in this way. The exercise question you can solve easily. If you have any problem or any question regarding this chapter, you are free to ask me. Thank you.